In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front brakes on your Mazda 3. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the bleeder cap. I'm going to install a bleeder bottle around my caliper. Install a 10mm wrench around the bleeder. Install the bottle around the bleeder. Crack it free. Using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to push my caliper back. When you're doing this, you're going to see all of the old fluid come out through the hose into the bottle. Once you've fully pushed the caliper back, go ahead and close that bleeder. Get it snug. Remove the bottle. Remove the wrench. Clean up the area with a clean rag and some brake parts cleaner of any mess you made. Reinstall the bleeder cap. Using a 13mm socket, remove the caliper bolts. Remove the bolts. Remove the caliper, hang it somewhere where there's no tension on the brake hose. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove the caliper bracket bolts. Remove both bolts. Remove the bracket. Remove the rotor. Using a wire brush, clean the hub. I'm going to install my rotor backwards. I'm going to spray it down with some brake parts cleaner. Give it a wipe with a clean rag. Flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. We're going to remove the pads out of our bracket. Remove the shims. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull the pins. Clean them off with a clean rag. Get all the old grease off. We're going to take some silicone paste and give this a skim coat. Reinstall the pin. Make sure it moves around freely. Do the same thing on the other pin. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean where our tins are going to sit. Do this on both sides. We're going to take a bit of silicone paste and paint where our tins are going to sit. Do this on both sides. Install the tins. Make sure they're fully seated. Install the pads into the bracket. Get the pads installed. Install the bracket. Get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 80 foot-pounds. Install the springs. Grab the caliper, install it over the pads, get the two bolts started, snug the bolts down, torque the bolts to 20 foot-pounds. When you do this, be sure that the nut is not spinning. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started by hand. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern anywhere from 80 to 108 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.